Hey guys, it's Maddie, and today I'm going to be recreating my first makeup tutorial. Now I have a makeup video before this makeup tutorial, but it was just my everyday makeup routine, which I didn't do every single day. But today I'm doing recreating my first makeup tutorial, which was my mermaid. It was not even like mermaid. It was my mermaid makeup tutorial. I filmed it last summer. It's kind of not good at all, but yeah. And if you didn't notice, I cut my hair. Also, I'm sick and I sound disgusting. You guys are just gonna have to deal with me being sick. Okay, so I have my video pulled up. I already did my eyebrows just like I did them in the video, which I used to do my eyebrows so differently and they used to be so ugly. Okay, I primed my eyelids. I don't have that primer anymore, but I'm gonna just use concealer. I don't have any more of my everyday concealer, so I'm just gonna be using this concealer. And I'm using a different palette because I honestly don't know where that one's, like the little small mini palette that I used in the video, went. So I'm just gonna be using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I look a bit crazy, but she primed my eyelids. I love speaking so good English. Oh, I'm using my fingers to put the blue on my lid. So there's not really a blue that looks really identical to that. So I'm just gonna use, like, let me go back. I need to see what I swatched it, but like what it looked like. I'm gonna use this blue because that's the closest I feel. And I'm gonna just put it on my eyelids like how I did in the video. I'm just smearing it on my lid. So ugly. And I think that was a good idea. Ooh, just smear it on there. And this is not even the right type of blue either. We level 1 beauty guru and 1 beauty guru only. I want to try to mix in another blue to make it like the right color. So I'm gonna add this one on top. Oh, ooh. Yes, I do still have that brush. This is my first like makeup brush, I guess. But I'm just taking the purple and putting it right on my crease. I'm gonna use this purple and I'm just putting it in like the corner of my crease like this. But I'm gonna try to like actually blend it all over and not have like a huge harsh line. This brush is okay, it's just not a really good blending brush, so that's always nice. It's gonna look ugly because these colors together, like in this type of look, is really pretty. And the look was just so ugly. The reason why I called it mermaid themed is because me and Leah stayed up all night watching that one mermaid YouTube series. I forget what it was called, but I loved it. I'm just trying to blend it out a bit more. I hate how I'm blending it. It looks so ugly. It's like not blended evenly at all, and it's just kind of like smeared on there. Okay, so now I'm taking the NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator and I'm oh, this stuff is like crazy and it just starts coming out like literally like I didn't do anything, and this is what it looks like. Like I just unscrewed the cap, but it's like, I don't know why it overflows like that, but it just does. I'm taking a little bit and I'm putting it on the middle of my eye. That's what I'm doing in the video. So you put it on the middle and then you blend it out, which I don't think this is a really good idea, to be honest. I don't know what's mermaid about this. Maybe the shininess of the scales. But it looks so ugly. But sister, this is not looking too good. Okay, so I have the Maybelline Nudes palette still. And I'm taking the color that I used to use for highlight every single day in 2016. This one. And I'm taking it on that same brush that I did the purple in. And I'm just packing that on top. Okay. So I'm just gonna pack that on top, even though there's a bunch of purple on it. And I'm taking more NYX liquid illuminator, which I'm not gonna do that this time because I feel like that's just gonna make it look even worse. But I don't really see what the purpose of adding this on there is. Okay, so now I think I'm smearing I'm smearing blue underneath my eyes. And I didn't put on any face makeup, but I'm gonna put on face makeup because my skin was better in the summer, so I gotta wait to do this. So I'm gonna put on face makeup and I'm gonna be right back. So I'm back with like my foundation on, but I need to set my under eyes and put on bronzer. I look really like, I just look sick and the eye look is already ugly, but we're gonna get this back in shape. I put that blue underneath my eyes, so that's what I'm gonna do now with this brush. This like reminds me of James Charles One Look. That was really ugly. And it kind of looks psychotic. I know. This is what it looks like right now. It's so ugly. Okay, then I put some more of that gross NYX liquid illuminator. I put some in my inner corner. At the time, I thought this looked so cute, but in reality, it was really ugly. Oh, and I put some on my cheek too. So, a few dots up and then blend it out. I was just really going ham though. At least I knew how to highlight my nose. Okay, so then I take my Luna highlighter and my highlighting brush, and this is where I highlight more. Okay, so I use this one lipstick that's actually my mom's, but I have a color that's like similar to it. But I put on chapstick before. My lips are dry and crusty, which my lips are still crusty because I'm sick. Whenever I'm sick, my whole body malfunctions. But I'm gonna take this. It's similar to that. It's the NYX Lip Lingerie in Push Up. Okay, now I look like a whole crazy person, but it's fine. Like, I wish I could breathe. I wish I was a crazy person that could breathe, but I'm not. I'll just do mascara. I'll use my Better Than Sex mascara though, because yeah, okay. I love being smart. Okay, and that was like the whole look. This is the final look. Those are the eyes. I look real ugly. This was my first makeup tutorial, so like my skills weren't good. I didn't even do face makeup. I didn't do my eyebrows with eyebrow pomade or any type of color except for black eyeshadow. And I didn't have lashes. So I mean, my skill sets or my abilities weren't very good at that time. And I mean, I'm not gonna toot my own horn, but I have gotten better. I know that for a fact. This is just me looking back to summer and just seeing how far I've come. And I know that I've come very far. As you can see to my like more recent videos, they're much more different than this one. And I was really awkward, and I was like, it was like, and that was when I first started doing makeup, so came a far way in like 8-7 months. I don't even know how long it's been since summer. But yeah, I cannot breathe, so I think that's the time to cut off this video. If you guys, I almost died. Okay, I almost died. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Follow all my social medias at @maddie. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Also, I have a Instagram spam account, Dizzy Mads. You can follow. It's a private account, but I accept like everyone. So yeah, anyways, I love you all. There's a piece of hair. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. See you next time, okay? Yeah, okay, bye. Okay. It's so funny. Okay, bye.